Alright, now let's take a look at social expression questions. Now, there are three important things you need to take note of. Number one is the speech bubble. Alright, this is the speech bubble. Speech bubble on top is usually the conversation starter, and the speech bubble below is usually the reply. Now, sometimes the speech bubble can be a bit tricky, so you need to look at the picture itself to confirm which is the conversation starter. You also need to look at the 2 marks question over here. You need to write in full sentences. Alright, not half-hearted sentence. Now, first one, can you help me with my homework later, please? That is a conversation starter. So the answer you can write, sure, Jasmine, I will help you with your homework later. Alright, sure, Jasmine, I will help you with your homework later. Question 2, is this cat yours? Again, conversation starter because it's on top. How should the reply be? Yes, it is. Isn't it cute? Alright, that can be your reply. C, do you need help with the laundry? Again, it's a conversation starter, so the reply can be yes. Thank you very much. It is very kind of you. Alright, so or any other suitable answers are accepted as well. Comprehension question. Let's take a look at question number 22, the first one. Pak Abu usually catch prawns. Is it correct? No, it's false. He usually catch what? Fish and crabs. Alright, first paragraph, fish and crabs. Pak Abu loses the crabs because he dozed off. Dozed off means he fell asleep. Alright, is it true? Yes, it is correct. Over here it's written that he drifted to sleep on his boat as he was tired and he did not cover the bucket. So the crabs climb onto one another and pull each other out of the bucket, and they escape into the sea. Okay, so that's true. Why do you think Pak Abu thought he could buy things for his wife and children? Pak Abu thought he could buy many things for his wife and children because he could get a lot of money from the sales of the crabs. Now, let's take a look. 2 marks question, so you need to write in full sentences. Where can you find the answer? Over here. He began imagining the amount of money he could get from the sales of those crabs at the market. And then he can imagine the beautiful dresses he could buy for his wife and fun toys for his children. Alright? What does crying over spilled milk means? I already teach all of you this one before. Okay? The meaning of crying over spilled milk. Crying over spilled milk means that there is no point crying over a loss because there is nothing you can do about it anymore. Okay? Now, state one lesson you can learn from the story. One lesson. So the one lesson that I can learn from this story, that we should not count our eggs before they hatch. We must be prepared if our plan goes wrong. What does it mean by this? It means that don't be too excited with something that you're not sure of yet, and always have a plan, a plan B in case something goes wrong. The next comprehension question. A. Janice wants to buy Danish dark chocolate. She should head to the chocolate heaven over here. Danish dark chocolate, so you can get it at the chocolate heaven. The what has the lowest discount among the desserts? The fruit cake. How do we know that? We take the usual price minus the price after discount. The one that has the lowest number is the least amount of discount. So the answer is the fruit cake because it's only 3 ringgit discount. The cheapest dessert is the oat cookies. Alright, the Danish dark chocolate has the highest discount, and the strawberry ice cream can be bought at Hypermall. The answers can be found over here. Alright, so these questions are straightforward. The weather is hot and Jamie is craving some cool and sweet dessert. Which of the desserts is the best choice for Jamie? Why? Okay, so there is 2 parts here. 1 mark each, the answer and the reason. So write in full sentence as well. The strawberry ice cream is the best choice for Jamie. Now why? Ice cream is both a cool and sweet dessert. It can be best enjoyed during hot weather. So with these answers, you will get 2 points. In your opinion, which dessert is the healthiest option for a quick snack? Why do you think so? Now, 2 marks question, you must answer it. Over here it says that in your opinion, so your answer must be in my opinion, which one and why. So you get the 2 marks. In my opinion, the oat cookies are the healthiest option for a quick snack. It is because they are rich in fiber and they do not contain as much sugar compared to the other desserts. So over here is 1 marks, another one here is another mark. Next comprehension question. Question A. During the campaign, pupils are encouraged to, now sorry, the answer here I wrote wrongly, it's not this one. The answer is read as many books as possible. Okay, read as many books as possible. That is the answer. The read, remember, and retell competition will be held to test pupils' storytelling skills. You read it out, alright, and you tell the story again on your own words. Okay, so your storytelling skills. Why is SK Suriwangi organizing such program? Now, 2 marks question, you need to write in a full sentence. SK Suriwangi is organizing the program to instill good reading habit among the pupils. The answer can be found over here. This campaign is conducted to instill good reading habits among all pupils. If you wish to take part in the contest, which story would you choose? Why? Now this one is the first part question and then why is the second part. Now any answers is acceptable, alright? Any answer, any storybook, you need to give your reasoning. Now in my case, I will choose Alice in Wonderland as my book of choice when taking part in the competition because, 为什么? It is my favorite book with wonderful and interesting characters. So if you write your what and why, you can get your 2 marks. Besides organizing reading campaigns, name one other way that will help inculcate reading habits among children. Inculcate means encourage. Alright, one of the ways to inculcate reading habits among children is that the school can improve their reading facilities, which is the library, right, by adding more interesting books that interest young readers. That will be your 2 mark answer.